The Supreme Court did something recently that they almost never do. They took back a ruling. On Wednesday, the High Court decided that our death penalty procedures were unconstitutional, an opinion that would have stopped prosecutors from seeking the death penalty in future cases. But 4 hours later, the justices realized they released the ruling too soon. Gloria's here with more on what happened. Have you figured this out?
Yes. In fact, the justices, what they were doing is they were citing cases that were still pending with the Supreme Court. And once they realized that, they took back their ruling.
For about 4 hours yesterday, Florida did not have a death penalty.
What we had here is the Supreme Court issuing an order saying that the Florida death penalty, the statute, is unconstitutional.
They ruled prosecutors could no longer seek the death penalty in capital cases. That's because in October, the justices said the jury vote for a death sentence should be unanimous and not a split vote, which is the current law. But it turns out the High Court let the cat out of the bag too early.
What happened was that the Supreme Court inadvertently published that order prematurely.
Here's the problem. In explaining their decision, the justices referred to cases that are still pending in the court, and the opinions have not been released yet.
So until those opinions are published, the court can't release the order that they released.
So the Supreme Court did something unprecedented. It took back its ruling, but the message to lawmakers in Tallahassee is clear.
Get to work right away, because we have a rare situation where the Supreme Court has called a shot. They have told the legislature, this is what we are going to do. We are going to find this law unconstitutional. In fact, we just published an order saying so.
Now, Rickman believes that lawmakers may actually have a special session here coming up soon to deal with this death penalty issue. And of course, if that happens, Mark, we'll continue to follow this closely.
It's really amazing. More than a year in the works, this has been going on now.
It really has. Since January, it's been going on. You're right. Yeah.
All right, Gloria, thanks. Okay.